Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm a little behind on this because I know all of you that subscribe to the Country Craft Creations October 2025 Seasons of Creativity box have already probably received yours because they shipped October the 10th. I got mine. I wanted to show you what's inside, so stay tuned. Of course, these come in a nice sturdy box when they arrive in your mail. I've already taken mine out, but when you open the box, this is what you see. The tissue paper with this sticker label here, Country Craft Creations, established 2014. So the contents of your Seasons of Creativity box are inside this tissue paper, and we're going to open this up together and kind of look at everything. So that those of you who have not signed up for one can get a peek at what comes in one. These ship every 3 months, February, June, and October. So this is the October 2025. Sometimes there's extra boxes left after all the subscriptions have shipped. I'm not sure on this one. I'll do a double check. If there is, I'll link it down below. But it is open now for you to sign up to start with the February one. So if you're interested in that, I'll put the link down below. So if you like crafting surprises, then this might be something for you. Also, know that these kits, each kit goes to a designer for Country Craft Creations, and they do a project with it. And so you have access to their tutorial, their exclusive tutorial for that particular kit. So that's something that comes with it when you subscribe to that. So let's take a peek inside. I'm just going to peel this up. And open it back. Now when you open back, the first thing you're going to see is the grab and go kit. It comes in this nice sturdy plastic organizer pouch so that you can grab it and go. These are a lot of fun to have, like if you're going camping or onto a retreat or something. You want a quick little project, then grab this, take it with you. You create with this what's in the contents here of this package and follow the video and have lots of fun. So let's take a peek on this one. I think I'll move everything aside out of the way so we can focus just on the grab and go first. So let's take everything out. Plus extras that you receive are inside here. So we'll go over that. So I do know that it comes with the cardstock that you need for this project. So this particular kit this time for October has 8 sheets of the 8.5 by 11 80-pound white artisan cardstock. So you get that. You get this super cute little pack of Doodlebug 6x6 paper collection. Need a knife to cut that open. So we can just flip through it. I'm not going to go into detail with everything, but I just want to flip through it and show you. These are so cute. So if you want a quick little Halloween project, so this is the little Doodlebug 6x6 Monster Madness. Had to look for that. Monster Madness. Then you get a Doodle Pop. These are so cute. This is a little spider web with the little spider shaker pops. It's got the little shaker bits in there. For hers, you're getting the Doodlebug Gingham Beetle Black Bubble Gum. That is super cute. You get that. You get this sliding photo pockets. This is like a bonus product. Each designer is going to show you how to use this on their collection. It's optional. You use it on the one you want. So that is like a bonus item there. With this grab and go, you do get the mini icon stickers from Doodlebug. Super, super cute. There's 2 sheets in there, so you get that. And then you get the 100-pound, you get 2 small pieces of the 100-pound white artisan cardstock for the project there. And then the other little bonus item you get is a sample of the Precision Craft Glue by Barely Art. So that'd be fine. If you've never used that glue, then you can give that a try. I don't know how that, if it's got a little squeeze there, I'm not going to open that. But that's the bonus items that come with the October. So each subscription box has a couple of items that you get that are like bonus items for you to use. Okay, so the next kit you receive is the Simple Stories Cider and Donuts Super Fun Collection. So let's take a peek at this one. This is the one that I created with. Had lots of fun creating a project for you with this. So I'll show you this one real quick. Let's take it all out and then I'll show you my project because I have it here on my desk. But I have done a video separately in detail, so I am not, again, not going to like go into huge detail on this, but I do want you to see what you get. So the collection is the Cider and Donuts 6x8 paper pad. Fun, lots of fun prints in this. Flip through it. So look at this fun fall collection here. And the 6x8, you get that. You get the Simple Stories Cider and Donuts floral bits. There's 46 pieces there. So that's kind of what you get in that one. You get the decorative brads, the frames, and I'll show you how to use the frames. And I'm also going to be doing a bonus project with this. I haven't started on that yet because you do get newsletters for the 3 months. So there'll be a bonus project in a newsletter, and I'll be using some of these frames. So there's 6 frames in there. I did use some in my project. My project was done with this 4x6 snap flip book. Love that. It's a lot of fun. And then you also get a sheet of the tags in the 12x12. So let me show you my project, finished project real quick. This is the project done with this collection, with this album, all these goodies. And it is a lot of fun. I do have videos on this. So it just unties. I show you how to add the spine on to make it wider and add a spacer so that you don't have the alligator look, but it turns out to be lots of fun using this collection. Place to put all your fall photos. I had lots and lots of fun with this. So when you subscribe, you do get the videos for each project that are made with these kits that come in your box. So that is the Simple Stories Cider and Donuts collection. Oops, I forgot to show you. You also get, went to the side here, you get the ribbon that I used in my album, the seam binding brown ribbon. You also get that in your kit. So I forgot to show you that. So that is this kit here. Okay, so the next kit is the 49 & Market's Vintage Orchard. I can already tell I'm going to really love this one. So let's take a peek real quick at what you get in this kit. So again, I will say while I'm opening this up that the Seasons of Creativity subscription boxes ship every 3 months. So the next one will be February. This is the October 2025. So February of 2026, then June of 2026, and October of 2026. So check out the subscription that's available at Country Craft Creations. I'll link it down below so that you can go check it out. Sign up if you haven't already, and wait for the goodies to arrive and the fabulous projects that the designers create. So this is 49 & Market's Vintage Orchard 6x8 collection pack. And it includes a total of 24 sheets, 2 each of 12 double-sided pattern papers. If you've never used 49 & Market, it is a really, really yummy paper collection. They're really thick, well-made cardstock. So look at the beautiful patterns that come with this. I love this. I can't wait to go look at Jen's project and maybe start creating on that. That would be fun to do. Okay, so there's that. Then you also get the matching 49 and Market Vintage Orchards acetate assortment. I love their acetates. These are fabulous. You've got frames, you've got all the birds, the butterflies, film strips, 48 die cut shapes, and they all are the acetate. So those are a lot of fun. Before I forget, you also get ribbon with this. So it is also seam binding ribbon. I'm going to open it up so I can see what color it is. So let's look at that real quick. You always get your ribbon. So look at that. That's a beautiful color. Probably like a ginger brown or a goldish brown. Very pretty with that. That's perfect, perfect, perfect with this paper. See there? Gorgeous. Okay, so that you get with those. And then also you get some 12 by 12 single sheets. You get the solids paper number 2, solids paper number 3, and solids paper number 4 to work on your project. So that is the 49 and Market Vintage Orchard acetate assortment in that kit. Okay, so the last kit with this October 2025 subscription box is the Our Happy Place and Echo Park Paper Company paper collection. So let's take a look at this kit. Our Happy Place. There we go. Open that. There's the ribbons. So this is all a 12 by 12 collection that you get. So it looks like the whole collection kit here. 12 double-sided papers and the element sticker sheets. So there's the stickers, so super cute. And then there's the papers that you get, which includes your cut-aparts, and your double-sided papers. There's the other cut-aparts. Beautiful, beautiful collection. So you get that, and then you get the solid paper, which is a yellow. You get 2 of these in the My Colors. So that is for that kit. And then the ribbon here, you get 2. You get a seam binding and a gingham. So it is a blue gingham. Perfect with this, beautiful, and then the yellow seam binding ribbon. Okay, so that's what you get in this kit. Okay, so here's all of the kits for the October 2025 Seasons of Creativity subscription box from Country Craft Creations. You get the grab and go. There's always a grab and go where you get all the cardstock, some little bonus items, and your kit items in this, always in a container, a zipper pack. This one is going to be, the project is by Kim Reynolds, Country Craft Creations designer. This one here is the Simple Stories Cider and Donuts, and that is mine, Sandy Trefger. I did this project. 49 and Market's Vintage Orchard. This kit, this project was done by Jen DeBelle. And this one, Our Place Echo Parks, is done by Michelle Allen. So lots of fun. If you haven't already, if you've received your kit, I hope you're enjoying it. You're making the projects, having a great time. If you missed out and there's none available to purchase as a one-time purchase, then I hope you go and check out Country Craft Creations subscription, Seasons of Creativity subscription box. Sign up now. Subscriptions are open and you can sign up now to receive the February box and then all the other boxes for 2026. So have a wonderful time. I'll see you all later with something else that I'm going to share. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. I'm not able right now to do videos every week, but if you subscribe and click the bell, you will get a notification when my next video is live on the YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. So see you later, and always check out countrycraftcreations.com for your paper crafting supplies. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.